when you don't have a lot of hair, getting the perfect bun can be a struggle and something that is just so frustrating. I'm going to show you how to do this bun today, even if you don't have a ton of hair, how you can make it look so pretty, so textured, and it's really not very hard. We are going to start off by putting our hair up in a ponytail. I like to do it as high up on my head as I can, and I am going to leave my bangs out, but you could slick all your hair back for this as well. Either way, totally your choice. Just tie it up on top of my head. Now I am going to loosen my base a bit because I'm not looking for a sleek look, I'm looking for a soft look. So before I do my bun, I'm just gonna pull some of those hairs from the base of my hair tie and I'm gonna pull them forward just to get a little bit more of a messy, undone look with my base. I'm gonna take my ponytail, I'm gonna separate it into two, I'm gonna twist those pieces. I'm going to twist them in the same direction. So not twisting them opposite, twisting them in the same direction. And this is gonna help them not unravel from one another really easily. If you twist them in the same direction and then twist them together in the opposite direction that you twisted them, they will stay together. So we twisted them that way, so then I'm gonna twist them together this way. And now I am going to just grab little sections and I'm gonna pull to make it messy. You can do as much or as little pulling as you want. If you have a lot of hair, you'll definitely be able to do more. If you don't have a ton of hair, you don't want to do too much because you don't want to pull the ends out of your hands here. And then we're just gonna wrap this guy around and secure with a couple of our bobby pins. As I secure, I just sort of shape everything into place before I put in any pins. And that way I can tell where I want my pins to go. Just gonna fiddle with my base a little bit more until I'm happy with the way that everything looks. And there we go. Super pretty, super easy way to get a fun textured bun, even if you don't have a lot of hair. I'll show you the back. One word of caution is buns using this technique often turn out a little bit different every single time you do them, so don't get too attached to how it looks and trying to recreate the exact same shape every single time you do it, because you will just frustrate yourself. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you another fun idea for a messy bun that you can try out on your hair, and that this is one that you will be successful at and enjoy doing. Leave me a comment to let me know how it goes for you. Thank you so much for watching today, guys. Hit that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, because I do post 3 videos for your thin fine hair every single week. Like and subscribe because it really helps me out, and leave me comments because I love to hear from you guys. Bye, guys.